Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, I have come up with new topic of Euclid's division algorithm. In previous class, we had discussed about Euclid's division lemma and formula. In this class, we are going to learn the new topic that is Euclid's division algorithm. This is nothing but it's a process of dividing one number by another until it reaches the remainder as 0. But in each step, it should follow the lemma formula. What is Euclid's division lemma formula? A equals BQ plus R. Alright. This Euclid's division algorithm is nothing but it's a process of dividing one number by another until it reaches the remainder 0. Okay. The main goal of this algorithm is to find GCD, to compute GCD. What is GCD? Greatest common divisor. This GCD is also called as HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. We can say either GCD or HCF. The main goal of this algorithm is to find out GCD or HCF. Right? This GCD needs to be calculated. Let me explain with the example. Let's say you have 250 chocolates. Your friend has 100 chocolates and your task is you have to pack the chocolates in boxes with equal number of chocolates with no chocolates left over. This is your task. I hope you are getting it. You have 250 chocolates. Your friend has 100 chocolates. Your task is to pack all the chocolates in the boxes with equal number of chocolates with no chocolates left over. So, here, how we can do that? That's why the GCD comes in. Let me explain. In example, what did I say? I said you have 250 chocolates, right? You have 250 chocolates and your friend has 100 chocolates. Your goal is to pack the chocolates in boxes with equal number of chocolates. Here we are going to find out GCD of 250 and 100. Let me explain each step for finding GCD. Okay. First, what we have to do is you have to divide this 250 by 100. Okay. 250 by 100. Here, this is dividend, this is divisor, right? 100 is 100, 200s are 200. If I am subtracting 200 from 250, I'll be getting 50, right? So here, I have gotten quotient as 2 and remainder as 50. Okay? In the concept, what did I say? In each step, we should apply division lemma formula. What is Euclid's division lemma formula? A equals BQ plus R. I'm going to apply the values in this formula. What is A here? 250, right? This is dividend. And what is B here? B means divisor. We have divisor as 100. And what is Q here? 2. R 50, right? This is the thing we have gotten from this. In the concept, what did I say? The process will get repeated until the remainder becomes 0, right? So, here the remainder is 50. The remainder is 50. It's not equal to 0, right? This is not equal to 0. So, we have to continue the process. In next process, what you have to do? This this 100 will go inside. This 50 will come outside. Right? Here this 100 becomes dividend and 50 becomes divisor. Then you can start the division process. 150 is 50, 2 50s are 100. So I'm getting the answer remainder as 0. B reaches remainder as 0, right? So I'm applying A equals BQ plus R. Here what is A? 100, right? 100. B value is 50. Q is 2. And R value is 0. Remainder is 0. B reaches the stage at which the remainder is 0. In this stage, what number we have as divisor is called as GCD. Right? In which stage we are getting the remainder as 0, in that stage, what number we have as divisor is called as GCD. In this case, what is GCD here? 50, right? In this stage only we have gotten the remainder as 0. So, here GCD is 50, or else you can say HCF is 50. HCF means highest common factor. GCD means greatest common divisor. Both are same. So, here the GCD is 50. So, how we can say? We can pack the chocolates in the boxes with equal number of 50 chocolates with no chocolates left over. This is the answer. We can pack the chocolates 250, 100 chocolates in the boxes with equal 50 number of chocolates with no chocolates left over. This is the answer of this example. Let me explain one more time. Here how we can find out GCD or HCF. It's nothing but dividing one number by another number until it reaches the remainder 0. But in each step, it will follow this Euclid's division lemma formula. Once the remainder becomes 0, in that stage, what number we have as remainder, as divisor, we can say that divisor is a greatest common divisor. That is GCD. Okay. This is very simple. Just understand the concept. Okay. Then you can find out this answer easily. GCD or HCF. Now we can see the problem in example 2.4. Let me read the question. If the highest common factor of 2, 10 and 55 is expressible in the form 55x minus 325, find x. Here what is the question? If the highest common factor of 2, 10 and 55 is expressible in the form 55x minus 325, find x. Here we need to find out HCF first. HCF means GCD, right? The same process what we had learnt in previous session. So we need to find out HCF of 210, 55 first. After the value of HCF is expressible in the form of this one, in the form this. This equals this HCF value. Then we need to find out x. Okay, this is the question. Now we can see the solution. For finding HCF of 210 and 55, what we have to do? We have to divide 210 by 55. Okay, 210 by 55. 155 is 55. 155 is 55. 255 becomes 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 10, 110, right? And 355s are, if you are multiplying 53 with 55 with 3, what will be getting? 15, 1, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 165, right? So we are getting 165. 3 into 55, 165. So we can write 3 55s are 165. If you want to subtract 165 from 210, what will be getting? We'll be getting 10 minus 5, 5. Here 0, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Right? Here 0. So here the remainder is 45. Quotient is 3 and the divisor is 55. We should follow the lemma division, Euclid's division lemma formula. What is that? A equals BQ plus R. Here what is A? 210. What is B? 55. What is Q? 3. What is R? 45. 45, right? Here the remainder is not equal to 0. So we have to continue the process. In next step, what we have to do? Here we have 45 as remainder, 55 as divisor. So this 55 will come inside in next step. And 45 will come outside. Now 145 is 45. 55 minus 45, 10. Right? Here, if you are applying the values in this formula, what is dividend? 55 here. What is divisor? 45. What is quotient? 1 plus what is remainder? 10. Right? Here also the remainder is not equal to 0. We need to continue the process again. In next step, what would be the divisor and the dividend? Here this 10 will come out. This 45 will go inside. Right? So 4 10s are 40. Right? 45 minus 45. Here we should apply the formula, the values in this formula. So here what is A? A is 45, right? 45 equals B is 10. 10 into Q is 4 plus remainder is 5. Here also 5 remainder is not equal to 0. Then we should continue the process again. Then in next step, what should be the divisor and dividend? This 5 becomes divisor and this 10 becomes dividend. Okay. Then 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 10 minus 10, 0. We have gotten the remainder as 0, right? So here, how we can apply the values? What is dividend? 10. What is divisor? 5. Quotient 2 plus remainder is 0. So in this stage, what number we have as divisor is called as GCD, right? Or HCF. So the answer is 5. HCF of 210, 55 equals 5. 5, right? I hope this much you understood. Now, this HCF value is equal to expressible form. That is given in the question, right? Now we can follow that. Here what is HCF? We have gotten 5, right? So this is the question given and this is the thing given in the question. So this value equals 5, right? If you read the question carefully, you can write this step easily. Okay, here the final thing is you have to find out the value of x. So here 55x. So I am taking this minus 325 to this side. Then this minus becomes plus, right? 325. Now, what is 325 plus 5? 330. 55x value is 330. Then what is x? X equals 330 divided by 55. After, if you are simplifying 330 by 55, what you'll be getting? 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30, remaining 3 will be coming, and 3 and 0 30, again 6 5s are 30, right? And now 1 11 is 11, 6 11s are 66. So the answer is x value is 6. Okay. This is the answer of example 2.4. This is very simple answer, simple problem. What we have to do first, we need to find out the value of HCF. HCF value of 2, 10 and 55. Okay. We have to continue the division process until we reaches the remainder 0. And after finding that GCD or HCF, what is given in the question, accordingly we have to write the step. Okay. After that we can find out the value of x easily. Which I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button, and for more updates subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.